What's up, guys? Welcome to today's video. We have a very special guest, Kevin. He's always excited to be in my videos.
Loving it.
I don't abuse him or anything to make it happen. All right, so today we are gonna build a gingerbread house because this is Vlogmas and that's what you do. You do Christmas shit. So we're making it. Kevin got it at the grocery store. Great find, great pick. I got a little man, a little tree. Got this idea from Gabby Shay. I don't know what her last name is, but we're gonna do it up one.
Do it up two.
Do it up two with some alcohol. That's right, tipsy, maybe drunk.
I ain't getting tipsy off of this Moscato.
Gingerbread house building. This is our second bottle, thank you very much. And we have a whole bar cart over there. Maybe we'll tap into that. No one knows. But we're gonna pregame a little bit, and then we'll get this thing popping.
I wonder if that was champagne.
If you don't have an electric wine opener, you should get one.
Show the fans your cork. Wow.
Wow. Do it. Wow.
I've been practicing my own so it's not ready for YouTube yet.
Yet, he says. Come on, I was gonna make it even. Chugging for the fans, trying to show off.
Yeah, big chug. Big chug guy.
Cheers.
Boom.
We've had a bev or two. We finished the wine.
Yeah.
I had this. It's actually pretty good. Pineapple cider. I don't like beer.
It's empty.
I was letting you have a sip. There's a sip in there.
There's a sip in here?
A little bit of backwash, mainly a sip. Oh, wait. What happened here?
Yeah, striptease?
Must have got stretched out.
What kind of show is this?
Do my activities.
It's going on YouTube. Not YouPorn.
Is that a website? Why do you know what that is?
I had a little Joe Hogan.
Yeah, little Joe Hogan. I did not participate in the Joe Hogan.
Oh, wait, you didn't even show the people what they want to see.
Yes, we showed them in the intro.
Oh, okay. In the intro.
Gingerbread. All right.
You guys are gonna like this.
Do you eat these when you're done?
Yeah. Well, it's made of gingerbread and not wood.
What's this? Easy build tray.
It's probably what you build the house on. So you stick the things. It's like the foundation.
So that's not the foundation?
No, it's just cardboard.
I think this goes on it.
I don't think so.
Wait, I think there's instructions.
Yeah, I was right. What else is new?
Well, on the other video, and then you build it on this too, because what if I want to have a little yard in the front? Like, look. This little gingerbread.
That has nothing to do with the yard.
I feel like we should have bought our own accessories for this.
The
I
little
look bold in this
bulb
video. I
shaped.
feel like I look cute AF in real life.
Fancy.
I look bold in this video.
Stop looking. I'm worrying about how you look. Look, I got these freaking bifocals on.
Well, you put them on, not me. You don't even
Because I wanted
need
to see
those.
the TV.
You don't even need those.
The prescription.
He's fake blind. I'm real blind.
I don't think I'm any
Smell
make
this.
fashion statements.
Smell this.
Smells like gingerbread.
Smells delicious.
I'm not stopping any hurricanes with this. Ha!
That's why we moved to California, not Florida.
That's earthquake.
This is the
That's the front steps.
the driveway, the sidewalk. What are these gumballs for? They can stain on the house.
Look at the picture.
They put them on top. I don't trust that.
Put your
first.
balls on top.
Put the balls
Wait,
on top.
I've never made one of these, to be honest with you guys.
Knead and massage the icing pouch for
We got
1 to
2
2
front
minutes.
doors? Or one's a front door, one's a back door. Get the side of it.
Kevin prefers the back door.
What? 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 That's the roof. No. What the hell's this?
It smells so good.
The sides of the house.
Can you massage this while I go get this nice?
Oh!
You're gonna break it!
Almost broke the house.
Put it down! You're gonna break it!
You guys are now getting a taste.
He's gonna break it.
This
is what I have to deal with every day.
That thing's hard as a rock.
Can you massage? That's why you gotta
I'm
massage
not
it.
massaging
I gotta
this.
get the stickers. It says it makes it more adhesive if you massage it.
Oh.
You don't have to massage it for the video.
I'm gonna record it, might as well.
It's not half bad. So, we love Moscow mules, but first we tried Gosling's Diet Gingerbread. Tasted like shit.
Here, massage this stuff.
Hold on. So then we tried the Zevia ginger beer.
Tastes like butts.
Also tastes like shit. So we mix like part Zevia beer, part ginger beer just to get rid of these because we want them and we don't want to waste them.
Mm-hmm.
It's pretty fucking gross. I can't wait till they're gone.
Yeah.
One more can after that one. Is it massaged up?
Massage / knead icing for 1 to 2 minutes.
I think then we cut it from down there. And snip the tip.
Yeah, it's like any gasket maker, but it wouldn't unless it just pulls off. Oh, there you go. Yeah. And then just snip it at one of these lines. We're going to snip it right at the top.
Are you used to snipping the tip?
My dog got his tip snipped.
That's
Do it at an angle.
At least it didn't go behind the stove.
Okay.
I'm going to eat everything. We have some extra candy. I'll grab
Do
it
we?
for
Have them
accessories.
watermelons.
Could put some sour strips on it. I'm not wasting
Did you say sour strips?
Hashtag ad. Just kidding, it's not an ad. But hashtag Max sponsor
Well, I mean,
us.
Sometimes I really think you don't know what you're saying.
We could do some pretzel sticks. Just in case. Side note, guys.
Do people even eat these things?
No, they're just for fun. I want to give away. Max Tuning owns sour strips. And I want to give away. There was more, but we ate them.
Yeah. What do we got? You got rainbow, strawberry.
Let me show the box.
Yeah.
Okay. So there's
Blue
strawberry, blue raspberry, and rainbow.
Yeah.
Which one was your favorite? Do you remember?
Yeah, someone's been scrimping out on the mango.
We didn't get any mango. We were a little upset. I thought blue raspberry was going to be my favorite, but I think rainbow is my fave.
It was pretty good.
Surprisingly. I mean, I like them all.
A little bit more sour than the other two.
But like, I'll show you a little packet up close. But like, to be honest, I thought that it was just gonna like taste like normal, you know, those Sour Punch straws? That was gonna taste like that. I think they're better than that. Back to the gingerbread house. That was a little detour I wasn't expecting.
Tip does not fit. There it goes.
Alright. Let's go.
So like I said, I've never done one of these before.
So probably we'll go like this.
Yeah, but I think we should lay some down in the channel.
Oh, you right. You right.
Oh. A little air. It's not a little, that's the gingerbread man.
Can't catch me, I'm a gingerbread.
You know what he said on Shrek?
No.
Not to come drop buttons.
I hate everything about this current moment. So I put it on the cement. Is this the front or the back? How do we know which one's the front?
The back door isn't as defined. Yeah.
This is the front.
People don't use it as much. Okay. I doubt anyone's even going to watch this. Who would want to watch someone making a
0 views.
Stick it on.
Okay, but that's what I thought whenever I first, I'll be honest, whenever I first saw that Gabby made a gingerbread house video, I was like, that's stupid.
Who's Gabby?
The girl that I'm obsessed with on Instagram.
She know who you are?
No. But I purchased 3 of her swimsuits. That girl.
Knight?
Yeah.
Sharon's Knight?
Yeah. And she's an Alpha Elite girl.
What was that movie? The White Knight? The Black Knight?
The Dark Knight.
Not the Batman movie.
I don't know what you're talking about. Anyway, but then I was watching hers and it was actually really entertaining. Okay, next wall. To the window.
Make sure that wall don't fall down.
To the wall. Look, this is... Do we have to hold it or does it just stay?
Oh, shit. The cement.
We gotta put the roof on now.
Mm-hmm.
The roof. The roof. The roof is on fire.
Do you want to do something? Or do you want me to do it?
I've been doing this.
What is this?
I'll do the blue if you want.
Wait, maybe we should stick the man on top.
Then where are we gonna put the roof? We're gonna put them on
Well,
top
no,
of the
the
roof.
roof will go on and then the roof.
Maybe.
You can put the icing. I don't even think the people can't even see our house.
Oh, fuck.
You really screwed the pooch on this one, Brenna.
Can you adjust the camera for me, please?
Oh, yeah.
Come on, fix it. Good call. That would have been embarrassing if we made the entire video like that. Sorry, fans.
Good?
The top of your head might be out of it a little bit, but just that.
No one cares about my head.
Okay, perfect then. Oh, we're sorry, guys. Look, this is what we got so far. It was my fault.
Always is.
Always is. I'm feeling it. I'm pretty sure it
No,
doesn't
put it on that.
touch on that. It was just dripping, so I have to. Alright, let's get a strategy before we just start sticking stuff. Alright, what's first? Well, the windows need decorated, right? Little outline. Well, I don't want to copy the box.
See what these taste like.
What even are they? Are they chocolate?
Mm-mm. They're like sweet tarts.
Let me get one.
Same. Yeah. So they go back.
This is not going to stick.
Look at that, guys. We got blue doorknob.
Ballin'. Now what? I went to TJ Maxx yesterday. I left for Christmas gifts. Didn't get anything, but we got these cookies. I feel like this was a poor choice of decorations to give us. These huge, heavy balls.
Get out of here.
I just want to eat all the decorations.
They're like beef cheese.
Not the design path that I would have chosen, but it's cute. It's creative. I'm proud of you. Are you going to keep going?
No.
It's my turn? Please do not. What if I do the creaming? What'd you do?
What the hell are you saying?
If I do the creaming and you do the beating. Like I'll do some cream and then I'll turn it.
Icing.
Teamwork makes the dream work. Baby, baby. I'm gonna feel like $1 million in the morning. I feel like maybe we should put a song on to lighten the mood.
Hey Google.
No, I know what song I'm gonna put on.
Play
Stop.
Tokyo.
Stop it. Get ready, you guys.
It's coming. Ooh. Oops. Good catch, Doug.
Santa Claus, right down Santa Claus Lane. Mixing and mixing and all his reindeers moving on the rain. As our baby children sing it all in merry and bright. So hang your stockings and say your prayers, 'cause Santa Claus
doing great, sweetie. In where?
On the roof too, just in between the balls.
I don't think that's a good idea.
What do you know?
No, put them somewhere else.
Where?
On the windows or something. Kevin's eating the cookies off screen.
Oh no.
He might shut down after I announce this and not talk anymore. But Kevin's thinking about starting a YouTube.
I started a YouTube back in grade school. I was like 10.
That's not the same thing.
I had a great YouTube channel. Good number of videos.
If it was that good, you would be paying our rent right now.
Started a long time ago. Didn't keep up with it. Started it in, I think, 6th grade. 6th or 7th grade.
A real pioneer.
I had the whole gambit of videos.
Gambit.
Told people about the events that changed the world. And then some people were rude enough to make comments like, I want that 3 minutes of my life back.
You must have been scarred by that because that's not the first time I've heard that comment.
Pretty hurtful.
So whoever said that.
Pretty hurtful. Granted, the video was pretty
Can we
junky.
talk about this roof? You know, good call on the color scheme. At first, I wouldn't have chosen it, but now that we're getting there, I do like that.
Yeah.
I'm trying to encourage him because I am a true believer in if you can make money on the internet, knock it off. I don't want him there. Doing things that you enjoy, why would you not? Doesn't make sense to me. So, Kevin really likes travel, so
Well,
I'm
you
trying
made me
to...
sell all my cars, so I can't do anything like that anymore.
That's not what happened. Kevin might be making a travel YouTube. So,
We need to travel somewhere to travel.
let us
YouTube.
know if you would subscribe. I want him to make a travel YouTube. Alright, roof is done.
Yeah, that's nice. Good
Looks
job.
nice. Honestly, I'm getting bored, so let's finish her up. What are we gonna do? Maybe
There's
some
way
ice.
too many things that they give you.
There's a lot of things, but like the roof took so much time. I'm just like kind of over it at this point.
Yeah, me too.
So
How about this? We'll do a little video magic. And 3, 2, 1. We're back. And check it out.
it's done.
No, it's
Check
not, is it?
Well, we're like getting there. We got a wreath.
We're over it.
Yeah, we are pretty much over it. We got a wreath, but it's drooping because the cement sucks. Kevin ate the arm off the gingerbread man. The tree's falling over.
Not that great, right?
It's a little stale.
What to expect?
I mean, these things have probably been in a box since last Christmas.
Still not. Jerry, don't jump.
He jumped.
You pushed him off.
It's not what I saw.
Now he doesn't have a leg.
It's not because of me.
It is good.
I'm gonna eat glass because of you.
Don't eat glass.
That's it. That's all we have. It's been great. It's been a blast. Kevin loved it.
Yeah, I
Kevin loves it when I make him do these things.
It's bonding.
It's bonding, he says. We live together and we basically don't work. We bond far too often. We need the alcohol to soothe our pain.
To make us feel like we're apart.
Anyway, no, seriously guys, thank you for watching. Give this video a thumbs up.
Double
Kevin?
thumbs ups.
2 thumbs up. What else I gotta do, Kevin?
Destroy that like button.
With all the thumbs up.
Destroy that subscribe button.
Destroy it. And then hit the...
Notification dinger.
It's a bell. Yes, the notification dinger. Please hit it. And that's all. Bye.
comes Santa Claus, here comes Santa Claus, right down Santa Claus Lane. Vixen and Vixen.